I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the low-driven shot. This powerful technique keeps the ball close to the ground, making it incredibly difficult for goalkeepers to save. It's a fantastic option when you're looking to score from inside the penalty box, especially when the keeper is expecting a higher shot. Mastering this shot can significantly improve your goal-scoring opportunities and give you a real edge in your games. Executing the low-driven shot is quite straightforward. First, press the shoot button and then quickly press it a second time. This double-tap action tells your player to keep the ball low. Make sure to aim towards the far corners of the net. The key is the timing of that second button press, which should happen almost immediately after the first, within about 1 second. Knowing when to use this shot is crucial for success. It's most effective when you're inside the 18-yard box, especially during one-on-one encounters with the goalkeeper. The low trajectory makes it hard for them to react. However, try to avoid using it from long range, as the shot's power and accuracy diminish significantly over greater distances. Pick your moments wisely for the best results. To truly master the low-driven shot, consistent practice is key. Focus on perfecting the timing of that quick double tap. Always try to use your player's stronger foot for increased accuracy and power. When powering up your shot, aim for about 2 or 3 bars on the power indicator. This balance provides enough force without overhitting, ensuring the ball stays low and on target for a great finish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.